Target is a great place to buy stuff, but if you've ever tried to manually compare prices or products, you know how quickly it becomes unmanageable. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Target Scraper, which was made by ParseForge, and you can find the link down in the description. It's used to automatically collect product data like prices, ratings, availability, and descriptions, all without writing any code. The Target Scraper pulls structured data directly from Target.com. It's built for retailers, market researchers, and anyone doing competitive price tracking or catalog building. You can extract things like product names and descriptions, current and original prices, ratings and review counts, stock availability, amongst other stuff. So, let me show you how it works. There's two ways to use this scraper. You can scrape a direct product or category using the specific URL, or you can use a search query. Just remember that you can use only one of both. So, if we're going to use the direct URL, you should leave this one empty. Alright, so let's say I want to search for laptops. You could also be more specific and include a category if you wish, but I think laptops are pretty specific in this scenario. Now, we set the maximum number of items, let's say 20. You can also set it to include the full details of the products. And once you're ready, you can either schedule it to run at specific intervals, or you could just run it once. We'll run it once for this demo. And now we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you'll get the results in this dataset table in the Output tab. You'll see the image, the product URL, its price, the rating, any reviews it has, the availability, the brand, and the description. You can download all of this data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file. But let's say you want to be more specific for what you're searching for. We can use the URL in that case. For example, if I'm still searching for laptops, I could add any filter that I want. For example, I want 16 gigs of RAM, and I'm looking for a specific price point. And once you've entered all filters, you simply copy the URL and you paste it in here. Just remember, we have to leave this one empty. And we'll run the scraper. And that's it. With the Target Scraper, you can automate hours of manual product research into a single run. If you're doing retail analysis or competitive pricing, this tool is a huge time saver. If you've got any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you enjoy the scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.